So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to convert dollar price using DAX in Power BI. So for this, we will be working with this $DE function. This function is used to convert dollar price expressed as an integer part and a fraction part into a dollar price expressed as a decimal number. These fractional dollar numbers are also sometimes used for security prices. So in order to understand this in more detail, let's create a new measure using DAX, and inside that we will be working with this $DE function. So for that, go to home, click on new measure, and let's give it a name as $DE is equal to, and we will be working with this $DE function. It has two parameters. The first one is fractional dollar. This is basically a number expressed as an integer part and a fraction part separated by a decimal symbol. And the next one we have is fraction. This is basically the integer to use in the denominator of the fraction. So let's feed some value to this function. Let's say the fractional dollar is 1.02 and the fraction value is 16, and just hit enter, and let's see what it returns. So for that, select this $D measure that we have just created. Let's select card instead of bar, and as you guys can see, it is returning us 1.13. This is basically the decimal price of the original fractional price, which was 1.02, which was read as 1 and 2 by 16 since the fractional value is 16, and the price has the precision of 1 by 16 of the dollar. So 1.02 gets converted into 1.13 because we are dividing 2 by 16. So in this way, we can convert dollar price using this $DE function in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.